Hello everyone, I welcome you all in the second semester, and for second semester we have BCC subject, and the course code of the subject is 22009. BCC, that is business communication using computers, semester 2. Let's see the syllabus for this course. Unit 1 is Introduction to Business Communication. Unit 2, Non-verbal Communication. Unit 3, Verbal Communication. Unit 4, Office Drafting. Unit 5, Business Correspondence. Let's see the course outcomes. First course outcome is communicate effectively by avoiding barriers in various formal and informal situations. Communicate effectively by avoiding barriers in various formal and informal situations. Second CO is communicate skillfully using non-verbal methods of communication. Unit 2 we have as non-verbal communication, and here CO2 is communicate skillfully using non-verbal methods of communication. Next CO is give presentations by using audio visual aids. आपला थर्ड युनिट आहे प्रेझेंटेशन स्किल्स, बरोबर का? त्याला मॅच होणारा CO आहे हा थर्ड, गिव प्रेझेंटेशन्स बाय युजिंग ऑडिओ व्हिज्युअल एड्स. नेक्स्ट वी हॅव राईट रिपोर्ट्स युजिंग करेक्ट गाईडलाईन्स. चौथा युनिट आपला आहे ऑफिस ड्राफ्टिंग, बरोबर? आणि ऑफिस ड्राफ्टिंग अ काइंड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, रिपोर्ट रायटिंग, बरोबर, रिटर्न कम्युनिकेशन. आणि त्याला मॅच होणारा हा CO आहे राईट रिपोर्ट्स युजिंग करेक्ट गाईडलाईन्स. अँड द लास्ट CO इज कंपोज ईमेल्स and formal business letters. Compose email and formal business letters. These are the 5 COs related to our units. 5 units. Let's see thoroughly which are the sub points in unit 1. Unit 1 is Introduction to Business Communication. First unit is having 5 sub points. First, Introduction to Communication, elements, importance, functions. That is elements of communication, importance of communication, and functions of communication. 1.2 types of communication. First, verbal communication. Verbal is further divided into 2, oral communication and written. Then we have formal communication, informal communication, vertical communication, horizontal and diagonal communication. 1.3 Principles of effective communication. 1.4 Barriers to communication, types of communications. After that we have barriers to communication, and barriers of communications are of 4 types: physical barrier, mechanical barrier, psychological barrier, and linguistic barrier. The last point under unit 1 is business communication, meaning, characteristics and importance. This is all about unit 1. Unit 2 non-verbal communication. Under this unit we have 3 subpoints. In first we are going to discuss Introduction to Non-verbal Communication, its meaning and importance. 2.2 Body language. It includes aspects of body language. And again in aspects of body language, which are the body languages? First, gestures, eye contact, posture, facial expressions, personal appearance. Personal appearance includes dressing of a person and grooming of a person. And last one is vocalics. 2.3 Body language, positive and negative body language. These are the points we are going to discuss in Unit 2 Non-verbal Communication. Then we have Unit 3 presentation skills. In this unit, we have 3 sub-points. First, presentation skills. It includes tips. In second point, we are going to discuss guidelines for developing PowerPoint presentation. 3.3, presenting technical papers. Then unit 4, office drafting. It includes again 5 sub-points. 4.1, office drafting, formats and guidelines. In this point, we are going to see what are the different formats of different office draftings and guidelines for the same. 4.2, it includes formulating notices and memos, that is memoranda. 4.3, preparation of agenda and writing minutes of meetings. Next point we have here, preparation of reports, progress reports, accident reports and case study. And last point we have here, summarizing techniques. Unit 5, business correspondence. In this unit we have again 4 sub-points. 5.1, respond to given job advertisements by writing your CV or resume. 5.2, draft business letters in the given situations. 5.3, draft complaint letters for the given situations. And last point we have here, compose emails with relevant for the given situations. This is we discussed about unit 5. Now let's see most important, that is marking scheme. This time we don't have any theory for this subject, we have only practical. So here I have made here as a box practical assessment which carries 50 marks. Now these 50 marks has been divided into 2, ESE and PA. ESE, that is end semester examination, that will be held for 35 marks and remaining 15 marks will be for PA. PA, practical assessment, and in this only we are going to assess your projects also. Yes, this time also we have projects. This is about marking scheme. And so let me tell you, today we have discussed syllabus and marking scheme, or how this paper will be assessed. We have only practical this time, ESE and PA. Whole will be for 50 marks. This is all about BCC subject, business communication using computers. Okay, let's stop here. Thank you all.